Hey guys, welcome to 3 Minutes Japanese. This is my only second time to upload a video on YouTube, so please be patient with my bad explanation. Anyways, let's get started. Today's lesson is basic Japanese grammar. I'm looking at my PC what I should explain. So, Japanese grammar seems to be complicated, but it's very easy and simple. I'll explain it by comparing with English structure. In English, if you want to say a sentence like I have a dog, for example, the structure is SVO, which means a verb follows a subject and an object follows a verb. But in Japanese, the structure is different. The sentence I have a dog can be said like this in Japanese. 私は犬を飼っています。私 is a subject, 犬 is an object, and 飼っています is a verb. So the structure is SOV, which means an object follows a subject and a verb follows an object. Please remember that a verb comes at the end of the sentence. When you put a subject, you need to add wa or ga just after a pronoun like watashi or boku. You should start a sentence with the words like watashi wa or anata wa or boku wa. When you put an object followed by a verb, you need to add o just after the object. There are examples. 朝ごはんを食べます。服を着ます。車を運転します。SOV structure is the basis of Japanese grammar, and once you have got used to it, it will be very easy for you to make Japanese sentences. Please make a Japanese sentence of our SOV structure and write it in the comment section. So that's all for today's lesson, and I hope you will have a good day. See you in the next video. Bye!